Welcome to 277 South 3rd Street in Lake Mary. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit on one half of a duplex. Let's start off by taking a look at the neighborhood. It's now 3:30 in the afternoon, and as you can see, it's pretty quiet out here. A mixture of different types of houses in here. Let's take a look inside. It's got a nice little design to the front entrance here. Let's go in. This is your entrance into the home. You have, here is your living dining area. You have a kitchen bar over here. It's an open concept unit. So right over here, you have your eat-in space, your eat-in kitchen. This is a reverse view. There's a lot of natural light, as you can see inside of here. The windows are very large, and the paint is very contemporary. Take a look at the floor. You get an idea what the floor looks like. They match up. There's no carpet in this unit, so you don't have to worry about allergies and stuff like that. Here you have stainless steel range, kitchen, granite countertops all the way through, and lovely kitchen cabinets. If I remember correctly, they're nice and dark. And these are also the nice modern soft close cabinets that you can get. Stainless steel refrigerator. Here's your kitchen pantry. And they give you a view of the entire place from the back. When you come out of your kitchen, again, this is your little living area here. To your left on the hallway is the bathroom. One bathroom with a vanity. That's a look at your bathroom. Standard stuff over there. Here's one bedroom. Again, you see no carpet. Lots of natural light in the day if you're into that sort of thing. All the rooms have a ceiling fan in them. That's a look at your closet inside there. So this is one bedroom, and here's the second bedroom. Again, massive window outlook in the front, letting a lot of light. And again, you get an idea. This is the master bedroom. This bedroom is larger than the one in the back. And again, ceiling fan at the top. Same sort of closet inside here, as you can see. This unit also comes with a washer and a dryer. And you'll see the hookups in the back. This is your back room here. You have extra storage out in the back here. You can keep different things. And then this is your door going out to the back of the unit. There's your washer in the unit. There's your dryer in the unit. A pretty new water heater, an electric panel, and so on. And that's about it. A nice modernly styled 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit in one of the best areas in Lake Mary.